There's a quiet movement happening across global silver markets right now, and almost nobody is paying attention. Not the news networks, not retail traders, not even most investors. But central banks, metal vault operators, and industrial buyers absolutely are. Because something unnatural is unfolding beneath the surface, physical silver is disappearing, while paper silver trades normally. This divergence has never lasted long historically. Every time paper claims exceed physical delivery capacity long enough, the market snaps. That snap is what drives price explosions. And evidence says we are approaching that snap now. Gold is wealth storage. Silver is industrial survival. Silver isn't hoarded. It's consumed. Electric vehicles, solar grids, medical equipment, microprocessors, military communications, nearly 60% of global silver production now goes straight into manufacturing and never returns to market. Once it's used, it's gone. This means something critical. As industrial growth accelerates, available silver shrinks permanently. Inventories are falling, and they're falling fast. The silver market doesn't operate like oil or stocks. It operates on leverage. For every single physical ounce in registered vault inventories, there are between 100 and 250 paper claims outstanding. This means 250 owners believe they own the same ounce. 249 of them are wrong. This leverage only works as long as delivery is never demanded at scale. But industrial buyers demand physical. Electronics builders demand physical. Solar manufacturers demand physical. They don't accept contracts. They need metal. In early 2024, regulators quietly tightened compliance rules governing commodity market participation for commercial banks. The result? Most large banks are no longer allowed to maintain open-ended dealer inventories of physical precious metals. Silver retail distribution channels have thinned dramatically. What used to be widely available has become sporadic. Premiums explode on shortages, even while spot prices appear normal. This disconnect between paper price and physical availability is extremely dangerous. It means the official silver price isn't real. It's theoretical. JP Morgan now controls the single largest vaulted physical silver stockpile on Earth. Over 169 million ounces, nearly 10% of known global above-ground supply. They aren't selling, they're stockpiling. Banks don't hoard commodities without reason. They prepare for market events, usually ones that destroy weaker institutions. Every time JP Morgan has dominated a commodity position historically, price has exploded afterward. Silver 2011, oil 2020, nickel 2022. The pattern repeats. Silver does not climb in smooth bull runs. It moves violently. In the 1970s, silver rose 1,300% in less than 4 years. In just 15 months, from 2009 to 2011, silver rose nearly 400%. Every spike began with inventory shortages, bank accumulation, paper overextension, industrial demand surges. We now have all four conditions running simultaneously. The silver market collapses when just one of these happens. Industrial delivery orders overwhelm vault stocks. Physical buyers bypass exchanges entirely. One large fund demands mass delivery. A vault default occurs. When that happens, delivery premiums disconnect from spot pricing entirely. Prices won't rise gradually. They gap upward, violently. This is how $10 silver becomes $25. $25 becomes $60. $60 runs toward $100. Adjusted for inflation, silver's 1980 peak of $50 per ounce equals $180 per ounce today. $100 silver would merely be a return to historical value parity, not a bubble. This is not moon talk, it's arithmetic. Retail buyers wait too long. By the time headlines scream, silver exploding, dealers are sold out. Premiums skyrocket 30 to 70% above spot. Order wait lists stretch weeks long. Banks stop distribution entirely. Retail investors only get exposure via paper ETFs, which don't track physical squeezes. The silver supply system is breaking, slowly, quietly, invisibly. And by the time the price reflects the truth, it will be too late to respond. This isn't a recommendation. This isn't financial advice. This is macro pattern recognition. The $100 silver window is not coming someday. It exists right now until delivery stress kills it. And once the gate closes, it never reopens. If you want continued coverage on commodity squeeze risk, collapse cycles, banking liquidity threats, currency debasement fallout. Subscribe to stay ahead while others learn too late.